Manage vehicle records to maintain compliant, trackable, and operationally ready fleet assets. Logistics management begins in the logistics module, the central hub for fleet coordination. Efficient fleet oversight ensures that every delivery resource is correctly profiled and ready for deployment. The vehicle listing provides a centralized view of all active transport assets and their operational status. Details like capacity and transporter facilitate accurate load matching and resource allocation for upcoming trips. Identity stickers and documentation prints provide physical verification for on-site security and gate audits. Actions like expense tracking and driver assignment allow dispatchers to manage daily operational costs and personnel. Registering new assets establishes the baseline data required for all subsequent logistics and financial tracking. Vehicle plate and vehicle type establish unique identification for regulatory compliance and specific load type compatibility. Asset specifications like make, model, and year determine maintenance schedules and long-term depreciation tracking. Route and fuel type settings automate cost calculations and ensure vehicles are assigned to appropriate shipment paths. Driver assignment creates clear accountability for specific assets during active transport and transit operations. Location details and primary phone fields provide essential contact points for real-time dispatch communication. Maintenance status indicates asset readiness, preventing the scheduling of unserviceable vehicles for critical deliveries. Blacklist checks enforce safety protocols by blocking non-compliant or high-risk vehicles from accepting new orders. Insurance details validate that every asset is covered, protecting the business against liability during transit. VTS tracking enables real-time visibility, allowing the system to provide customers with accurate delivery milestones. Capacity defines maximum load volume to prevent overloading and ensure optimal trailer utilization during trips. Vehicle and calibration images provide digital evidence of asset condition for audits and damage claims. Comprehensive asset profiles ensure a compliant, documented, and high-performance fleet for all logistics operations. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.